This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Tundra cabin air filter. First, open your glove compartment all the way. You will see two small dampener clips, one on each side. Carefully remove them. Next, gently push inward on the sides of the glove box. This will allow it to drop down completely, giving you full access to the filter housing. It's a straightforward first step. Now that the glove box is open, you'll see a rectangular housing unit directly behind it. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are typically two small clips, one on each side of this housing cover. Unclip these, and the cover will come off easily. Then, simply slide out the old filter. Notice its direction and how much debris it has collected. When installing your new cabin air filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow should typically point downwards, indicating the direction of air movement. Carefully slide the fresh filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Once it's in place, reattach the housing cover and snap the two retaining clips back into position, ensuring a snug fit. To finish up, gently lift the glove box back into its original position. Push in on the sides again to allow it to clear the dashboard, and then re-engage the hinges. Don't forget to reattach the two dampener clips you removed earlier. With your new filter installed, you'll notice significantly cleaner air inside your Tundra and better performance from your heating and air conditioning system. This simple task takes about 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.